Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium full bar cap cutters. This tool is made for very hard concrete. If the cream latency is just very tight and nothing else is able to cut it, this tool will. It'll leave you like a medium cut finish. It has great stock removal. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our TriPCD coating removal tool. Now, this is 3/4 round polycrystalline diamonds. They're made because they don't overheat. They won't smudge or smear the coating. So if you have a soft buildup coating, it'll remove it fast. Has great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our premium single button 80 grit medium bonds with a tapered edge. Great for machines like Lavina's and or whomever has a drive plates made for those style of diamond. This has rounded edges. It leaves no rogue scratches. Has a very subtle scratch pattern. Great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have magnetic adapters with a dovetail. This is made for machines like Husqvarna's. This is so you're not married to a proprietary system and you can buy your diamonds anywhere. If you're in no man's land, you can find diamonds. You're not married. End of year, a lot of savings. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 5-inch 125mm T-Seg concrete cup wheel. This is a great wheel to have in your toolbox as a general tool. It's a great go-to. If you want to do just major stock removal, get rid of some adhesives, or just do general prep, it's phenomenal. It has great wear. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the 5-inch 125mm Ultra Hybrid pad. Now, this is a copper pad. It's a heavy concentration of diamond. It's great wet and or dry. It does great removal of deep scratches. It leaves a very, very subtle scratch pattern. It has great wear rate. Message me now.